Who among the following founded the Arya Samaj in 1875? Answer is option C, Dayanand Saraswati. Friends, if we understand in detail, Arya Samaj is a monotheistic Indian Hindu reform movement that promotes values and practices based on the belief in the infallible authority of the Vedas. Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati in 1875 in Bombay. Swami Dayanand Saraswati is known as the grandfather of Indian nation. The original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati is Mool Shankar. Gangaur is celebrated primarily in which of the following states of India? Answer is option B, Rajasthan. Friends, you know the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. And friends, Gangaur festival is celebrated in the month of Chaitra in honor of the goddess Gauri or Parvati. This is the festival celebrated in Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat. Unmarried women worship Gauri to be blessed with a good husband, while married women do this for health and a long and happy life for their husband. Which of the following are situated in the nucleus of a cell? Answer is option A, chromosome and gene. In which year was the Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana scheme launched? Answer is option D, 1993. The Amrita Devi Vishnoi National Award is given for. Answer is option B, wildlife protection. Friends, the Amrita Devi Vishnoi Wildlife Protection Award is given in the memory of Amrita Devi Vishnoi, who sacrificed her life along with 363 others for the protection of khejri trees in Khejrali village located in Rajasthan. The Indian Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in 1972. As per the Hindu Succession Act 1956, who amongst the following has the first right over the property of a Hindu woman who dies intestate? Answer is option C, her husband. Friends, the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, 39 of 2005 was enacted to remove gender discriminatory provisions in Hindu Succession Act 1956. Under the amendment, the daughter of a co-partner shall by birth become a co-partner in her own right in the same manner as the son. This amendment also repeals section 23 of the Hindu Succession Act. Alladi Krishna Swami Iyer was the chairman of blank of the Constituent Assembly of India. Answer is option C, Credential Committee. Friends, if we understand in detail, Alladi Krishna Swami Iyer was the chairman of the Credential Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India. He served as the Advocate General of Madras State from 1929 to 1944. The best known blank ruler was Prithviraj III, who was defeated by an Afghan ruler Sultan Muhammad Ghori in 1192. Answer is option C, Chauhan. Friends, Prithviraj III, popularly known as Prithviraj Chauhan, was an Indian king from the Chauhan dynasty. Muhammad Ghori invaded India and laid the foundation of Muslim domination in India. He is often considered the founder of Muslim rule in India. The Second Battle of Train was fought in 1192, in which Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori. Sri Jatin Goswami received several honors for his contribution to blank. Answer is option B, Satriya dance. Friends, the government of India awarded him the fourth highest civilian honor of the Padma Shri in 2008 for his contribution to Satriya dance. Satriya dance is a classical dance form that originated in the Indian state of Assam. And friends, you know the capital of Assam is Dispur. It is one of the 8 major classical dance forms of India. On heating gypsum at blank, it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Answer is option D, 373 Kelvin. Friends, gypsum is also known as calcium sulfate dehydrate, loses water when heated and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate, also known as plaster of Paris. This dehydration process typically occurs when the gypsum is heated to a range of 373 Kelvin to 393 Kelvin, which is equivalent to 100 to 120 degrees Celsius or 212 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Which among the following instruments is used for measuring the humidity of the air or a gas? Answer is option A, hygrometer. After how many minutes the half time starts in a hockey match? Answer is option C, 30 minutes. Friends, half time in a hockey match is a 10-minute break between the two halves of the game. Hockey is a sport that is played on a field or an ice rink, and it is a team sport that involves two teams of 11 players each. The game is played in two halves on 30 minutes each with a 10-minute break in between. How many Lok Sabha seats are there in Karnataka? Answer is option C, 28. International Ozone Day is celebrated on. Answer is option B, 16th of September. Friends, the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer is observed on September 16. In 1994, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 16 September the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. World Ozone Day is observed on 16th September every year since 1995. This day reminds the signing of the Montreal Protocol on substances that depletes the ozone layer. World Heritage Site status to sites is granted by. Answer is option C, UNESCO. Friends, let's know about UNESCO. The full name of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It is headquartered in Paris, France. This special organization of the United Nations was formed on 16th of November 1945. India is a member country of UNESCO since 1946. Which two gases make up 99% of the atmosphere? Answer is option D, oxygen and nitrogen. Friends, if we understand in detail, the atmosphere is composed of a mix of several different gases in differing amounts. The permanent gases present in the atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, and argon. Who among the following was the advisor to the Mughal Emperor Akbar? Answer is option A, Mullah Do Piazza. Who among the following never presided a session of Indian National Congress? Answer is option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Friends, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a freedom fighter and lawyer, is also known as Lokmanya Tilak. He joined the Indian National Congress in 1890 but never presided over a session of the Indian National Congress. along with Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandrapal. He was part of the Lal Bal Pal trio of leaders with extremist outlooks. In which part of the eye lies the pigment that decides the color of the eyes of a person? Answer is option D, iris. Which one of the following is the longest parallel of latitude? Answer is option A, equator. Friends, the equator is the longest possible latitude. It is centered at the latitude of 0 degrees, which means that it is centered at the circumference of the earth. The equator is the largest parallel on the globe.